Is it possible to install another version of Python to Virtualenv? I have a shared account in a web hosting that has Python 2.4 installed, but my code is not compatible with 2.4. Is it possible to install Python 2.6 directly to Virtualenv? Note: I don't have permission to install it in the shared server.
The usual approach is to download the source and build and install locally, but not directly in Virtualenv, and then create a new Virtualenv using that local Python install. On some systems, it may be possible to download and install a pre-built Python, rather than building from source.
Prerequisites: sudo easy-install Virtualenv, sudo pip install Virtualenv repper. Installing Virtualenv with Python 2.6. You could manually download, build and install another version of Python to /usr/local or another location. If it's another location other than /usr/local, add it to your path. Reload your shell to pick up the updated path. From this point on, you should be able to call the following two Python binaries from your shell: Python 2.5 and Python 2.6. Create a new instance of Virtualenv with Python 2.6. Emp Virtualenv Python gleich Python 2.6 Virtualenv.
Here are the options for Virtualenv. What you want to do is install Python to a directory that you are able to write to. You can follow the instructions here. For Python 2.7.1, Python source. Install Virtualenv. Virtualenv source. 3. Create a Virtualenv using your local Python. Virtualenv docs. 4. Activate the environment. 5. Check.
Nowadays, the easiest way I've found to have a more updated version of Python is to install it via Conda into a Conda environment. Install Conda. You may need a Virtualenv for this. Installing a new Python version inside a Conda environment. I'm adding this answer here because no manual download is needed. Conda will do that for you. Now create an environment for the Python version you want. In this example, I will use 3.5.2 because it is the latest version at this time of writing, August 2016. We'll create an environment for Conda to install packages. To activate this environment, I'm assuming Linux, otherwise check the Conda docs. Now install what you need either via pip or Conda in the environment. Conda has better binary package support.